Hi friends, this is Ravikant Miriala, right? Most of you know me through my books, that is Accounting Standards Made Easy and Audit and Assurance Made Easy, right? This is a small video I am making to explain the importance of accounting standards from the examination point of view, that is for marks purpose, and at the same time, what is the importance it in your practical life? That is second point. And the third point is how will this study has impact on your CA final course? Correct. Generally, I have seen, some students, many students actually, they do not give importance to accounting standards, and they like mostly like solving the sums, amalgamation, internal reconstruction, liquidation, such kind of big sums they will try. And end of the day, they may get marks, they may not get marks, because in case of amalgamation, your balance sheet may tally, may not tally, and even one line, if you don't understand also, it may have impact on your answer, so that will have direct impact on your marks. But with simple understanding, correctly speaking, you don't need expert knowledge in accounting standards, but with basic understanding of accounting standards, you can score very good marks, right? First, before getting into this importance, let me give you some information about Unacademy just for a minute. Okay, we Yashas Academy is associated with Unacademy. Unacademy online platform. All of you can watch our lectures live, and after you watch, if you are not able to attend the live lecture, whatever the reason, subsequently the recorded classes will be available in the same platform. You can watch it. Now all of us, our Yashas Academy faculties, are teaching online through this Unacademy. And if you are writing group 2 in November 2012, we recently started, that is on 8th of July. This batch has been already commenced, and already group 2 accounts started. My accounting standard portion also is going to come. So if you're interested, please join, subscribe. And yeah, before that, let me explain you what are the best things out of this. Okay, right. See here, all the educators are available for one subject. Multiple number of educators are available for accounts only. If you say more than one person, you can listen to more than one person. Yeah, not only what is that Yashas Academy faculty, other faculties are also available. If you are interested, you can obviously listen to them as well. Okay, and next point, what I would like to say, the benefits of this Unacademy platform. First thing, if your time permitting, then please attend the live session. Correct, you can listen, you can attend the live classes. That is first benefit. Next thing, unlimited recorded lectures. Suppose if you purchase any pen drive from any person, any teacher, they will give you maximum number of views, like 1.5 views or 2 views, something like that. But here there is no such limitation. How many number of times you want to watch, just that is left to you. Yeah, here it is a concept of like, what is that, 6-month subscription, 12-month subscription. In the 6 months time, how many times you want to watch, that many times you watch. And whosoever the lecture, like accounting standards I am teaching, like me, maybe other teacher also is teaching, you can watch his classes, my classes, whichever you like, that you can watch. That is a great facility available in this platform. Next, and we will have every week a doubt solving session. If you ask us, you can, that is basically meant for doubt solving. You can ask all your questions and we are here to give you the solution. Okay, and we do conduct a practical mock test also, that is obviously will be helpful to your examination purpose. Okay, right. At the same, that's why, so why are you waiting? You obviously can subscribe. And what are the subscription, with respect to subscription, once you download this app, correct? Here you can go for what is that, if you are aiming for what, group 2 alone. Okay, group 2 generally approximately 3 to 4 months we will be teaching. Yeah, so that's why our suggestion is a minimum 6 months. If you take it, it will be very much helpful. For 6 months it is 15,750 rupees, and if you use the code of Yashas Academy, I mean this is 15,750 is after discount. That discount will be available to you if you use the code Yashas, YESHAS. If you use it, it will be available. And if you use this code, you have got one more benefit, right? 2 months subscription will be free, but that subscription 2 months extra you will get only when you subscribe for 12 months. That means 12 months if you subscribe, 12 months plus 2 months, totally 14 months subscription. In this 14 months time, whatever you want, how many times, whichever the chapter you want to view, you can view. And if some student wants only accounting standard portion I want, right, then 1 month subscription will be more than sufficient, because I'll be teaching maximum 30 hours, 30 to 35 hours maximum. We'll complete group 2 accounting standards thoroughly, in depth. Each and every word of the standard is going to be explained to you. Okay, right? And I'm just giving you, there is some limited offer. That's what I told you. This is not for all the time. This 2 months extra, right? So why are you waiting? You just go and subscribe. It's 100% useful to you, right? These are our educators on Unacademy platform. Now let's get into our main topic, that is importance of group 2 accounting standards. Okay, here in this group 2 there are totally 13 standards are available. That is part of your syllabus. 13, a big number actually. It's a big number, but all these very important standards, not just for your marks purpose, very much important for your articleship, and these are very important even for your CA final. Yeah, CA final, yes, I only teach that Ind AS is there, but if you have the good base, correct? See, accounting standard is accounting language. When you say accounting language, this is like mother tongue, accounting standard, Indian accounting standard, correct? If you know grip, if you have grip in your mother tongue, obviously you can understand any other language. It's like that. So at this level of CA Inter, if you can get good grip on the accounting standards in CA final, it's actually going to be easy to you. If you don't have a proper base of accounting standards, then you will find some difficulty in CA final. Okay, right? And out of this, so 13 standards, how many standards do they ask? Right? See, in every attempt, the minimum of 6 standards are being asked. That means approximately like 45-50% is 50% of standards are being tested. So you have to be, I mean, here generally students do ask, sir, which standard is important, please let us know, right? Here telling which is important, which is unimportant, no, it is very difficult. I will show you one chart, okay, wherein like which standard has been asked in which attempt for how many marks. Guessing like, I mean, this standard will be asked in the next attempt is actually silly and a serious mistake. Yeah, you wanted to be a chartered accountant, right? So you need to have first and foremost thing, chartered accountant. And here only if you want to take, what is that? I don't want to study everything in accountancy, then I mean, how can you be a good accountant? Correct? So that you should keep in mind. So just information from examination point of view, 50% of standards are being asked in almost every attempt. Okay. And how many hours do we discuss? We are going to discuss approximately 30 to 35 hours. We are going to discuss these 13 standards. Yes, because some standards, you know, like accounting standard 19, leases, which will take actually a lot of time, like 4.5 hours. Minimum 4 to 5 hours I will be spending on that, because that is one big and very beautiful standard. It requires that much of time, right? And one more standard I'll tell, accounting standard 22, I say accounting standard 22, that is taxes on income, right? So that is deferred taxation calculation. Yeah, throughout the life, it is throughout your life, it is relevant. Every standard is relevant, obviously. Yeah, it's difficult, and to make you understand, it will take a lot of time. At the same time, there are some small standards which may take 1.5 2 hours. Like that, put together, I will be taking approximately 30 to 35 hours. That means per day 5 hours if we teach, correct? So minimum 7 to 8 days, that is what you can expect. At least 6 to 7 days you can minimum expect. See, this is the list of all our standards. AS4, that is events occurring after the balance sheet date. AS5, that is net profit or loss for the period, prior period items, and changes in accounting policies. So what is when there is a change in policy, what to do, what to disclose, how to account for. And last year, it is last year related income or expenditure we forgot to record in the last year, now it is recorded in the current year, then how to do it, disclosure, how to disclose it exactly, that is all discussed in the standard. And A7 AS9 both will talk about revenue. First, A7 talks about revenue from construction contracts. AS9 will talk about other than construction contracts, any revenue. Revenue means basically sales. How to account for sales. If you join any firm, obviously for articleship, correct? There will not be any company without sales. So when do they supposed to record sales? Don't you need to have good knowledge about it? Correct. If you go to any real estate company, how do they record it? What is the basis? Which day they should recognize? For what amount they should recognize? It's going to be discussed there. AS14 is going to be amalgamation accounting, yeah, which is generally being asked for 16 marks. Yeah, where you will be solving. I will be explaining the concept. Maybe other teacher will explain you 16 mark sums. Number of sums you will be solving in the class. Segment reporting and related party transaction. Whenever the company, you must have seen in group 1 schedule 3, right? In schedule 3, if wherever there is a related party transaction, it says disclose separately. Like that, in accounting standard 18, all the transaction with related parties, you have to write it in one proper table. Who is related party? What do you mean by related party transaction? What do you mean by transaction? All that you will be learning over here. Next, I told you AS19, which is talking about leases. A beautiful standard, seriously wonderful standard. And I too, first of all, I love that, right? And I'll make you also love it for sure, right? And next, earnings per share. You must have heard this. How to calculate earnings per share. Below the P&L, we have to give earnings per share. In schedule 3, profit and loss, you must have observed this. Basic EPS, diluted EPS. Correct. But how to calculate those numbers? As per accounting standard 20, you are supposed to calculate it. Okay. And accounting standard 22, I said accounting for taxes on income, that is deferred tax calculations, right? And discontinued operation, when one of the division is going to be closed, we have to inform to the members. In which way we are supposed to inform, that is explained beautifully here. Intangible assets, yes, tangible assets you learnt in group 1, which is accounting standard 10, property, plant and equipment. Now in group 2, you will be learning about intangible assets. And the last but not the least, that is provisions, contingent liabilities and contingent asset. This is one more beautiful standard. Okay, so all these, every standard of it is very much relevant, important when you get into articleship and when you get into your CA final course in the near future. So you need to have really great grip on this. If you do neglect by chance, it's going to be, it's going to be harmful to you. That's all I can say. That's why you have to give full attention to this, right? Look at the, importance from the examination point of view. Observe, my dear friend, right? See, this is the latest, this exam group 2 is not yet happened. It's going to happen, right? January 2021, because due to corona, they conducted first November batch and they have given opt-out option. Yeah, whoever have taken the opt-out option, those guys have written in January. So 2 question papers. Just observe here, every attempt 28, 28, 28, correct? Na? So that means what is your observation? minimum 28 marks are asked from only accounting standards. Out of 100 means 28 percentage of marks are only from accounting standards. From 7 days class maximum, right, you will be able to score 28. I can give you assurance, if you study, if you follow the instructions which are given in the class, out of 28, the minimum level 24 you can score it, because it is easy. It is not that difficult to score 24. Number of students whose papers have come back, and I have seen most of them, I mean, they have scored the minimum is 24 plus. That's why I can give you with a lot of experience in teaching this subject, right? I can assure you 24 marks you can get from only 7 days of class. Hope you understand. 7 days, 24 marks, right? So it is obviously great. Got it? So per day means 5 hours. If you attend, 4 marks you are able to get aram se, without any great effort. Okay, right? Observe, see this. Can you say exactly like which standard is going to come in next attempt? Yeah, see, if you see here, this standard has been asked for last 2 attempts, correct? But if you see here, in these attempts it was not asked. Here also you see 2 attempts is asked, and subsequently they didn't ask. There is no standard like except accounting standard 19. Generally they will ask every attempt, but there also regularity you can't expect, right? The accounting standard 26 also, see, 1 time they asked, and again 2 times gap, again 3 times asked. So that's why what I'm trying to say, you can't expect which standard is going to be asked. And again I told you, not for examination purpose, because you wanted to be called yourself as chartered accountant, you need to have very good knowledge in accounting portion first of all, correct? So keep that in mind and join the course, and let us enjoy that, okay, subject. And my batch, that is only accounting standards, we are starting in the last week of August. In the last week of August we'll start. 7 to 8 days maximum, that would be more than sufficient to complete the entire accounting standards portion. Okay, right? And wish you all the best, and would like to see you in the Unacademy class. Thank you very much.